Cut out two rectangles of 27 by 59 centimeters in size and two circles with a diameter of 27 centimeters from a sheet of foam board. Mark the middle of each side on each rectangle. Draw a straight line to the center from the side 27 centimeters long. Put a piece of foam board on a straight line. A piece of foam board should lie in the middle of a straight line. Make notes on both sides of the foam board as shown in the video and draw straight lines. Then draw a straight line from the center of the second side of the rectangle from the side with a length of 59 centimeters. Cut out the recess as shown in the video. Do the same with the second rectangle. Carefully insert one rectangle into the other. Each angle should be 90 degrees. Check this with a triangle and then glue with a glue gun. Glue the rectangles together as shown in the video. Carefully place the base on the circle and glue. Glue the second circle in the same way. Wrap the tube with colored cardboard and secure with adhesive tape. You can easily change the color of the tube if desired. Such a tube can easily withstand a load of 5 kilograms. It is very convenient to transport.